Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating body vital parameters monitoring system through Bluetooth module. So here we are monitoring different kind of body vital parameters like health parameters, BP from this BP machine, and the height and the weight is from the load cell, and next is SpO2, that's pulse oximeter, and the temperature for using a MLX 90614, it's a non-contact temperature sensor, and IR sensor in order to detect the person, and reset switch. If is there any malfunctions going on, we can do the reset one. So totally we are going to get the monitoring parameters like weight, height, and BP and temperature, and pulse oximeter, and the status of the person detection. So these are the parameters will be fed to the Android phone through Bluetooth based on request. So means we need to send a special character, it's normally G, in order to get this kind of parameters. So these are all directly like mentioned. First is weight and height and temperature, systolic, diastolic, and heartbeat. Next 0 is nothing but SpO2. It will be receive the parameters when we connected that to the finger, and 1 is nothing but indication of IR sensor. When indicating 1, person identified, 0, person not identified. And let us see the demonstration. So before switching on this cage, we need to install some Bluetooth application, and then so the total kit got switched on, and then we need to pair to this, right? And now you can show that it's connecting. Once it's connected, so it is show that connected device. And now I am entering G, send, so we will get the parameters. So now initially there is no there is no BP parameters default. So now before getting that, we need to connect into the hand, and here one more setting will be there. So once we connected this and press, we need to press the switch, and the system will get the systolic and diastolic. And when a person enter on this load cell for weight, after getting down, so it will be 0. So let us see that. So right, so here I am sending continuously, we can send that. So first of all, we will show you the BP readings. So what the parameters will be sent to the phone directly, so you can see that. So these are the parameters which we received. So now the weight is 2, nothing but the normal garbage value, and the height, temperature, BP, and heartbeat, pulse oximeter 0 and 1. So now we will show you the next pulse oximeter. So just place the finger, right? So you can see that we are getting the pulse oximeter value, right? So till the person standing on the load cell, it will be the previous value only. So once a person standing on the load cell, so we'll get the weight. So now the person stand on the load cell, so we got the weight, and after getting down, so this will be done from generally this will be this keep on sending the character. Manual is not something problematic, so it will be done automatically by the program, our Android application. So now you can see that the BP got settled down to 0, and we'll get the heart rate directly, and SpO2 also. Now coming to the IR. So now there is no presence in front of the IR sensor, so we'll get the 0, right? We can see that. So we got the 0, and whenever the person detected in front of the sensor, nothing but obstacle detected, so we'll get the 1, right? And coming to this temperature. So now defaultly the ambient temperature is getting off 83, right? Now it's 90. It's my temperature, body temperature 92. And coming to the height, generally it's showing the floor height.